What should I wear to look as old and frumpy as possible? Said no woman ever. Look, no one wants to look dated and frumpy, but let's be honest, sometimes it just sneaks up on you. Life gets busy, we're distracted with other priorities until one day we look in the mirror and we think, this isn't me, but what am I doing wrong and how do I fix it? I got you, girl. In this video, I am showing you 7 of the biggest style mistakes that can make us look frumpy. Just as important, what we can do instead. We are about solutions, people. These are simple, small tweaks that'll have you looking and feeling like the amazing woman that I know you are in a snap. Let's do this. Ladies, we're having a bit of fun here talking about style and outfits, but to be crystal clear, having the opportunity to grow old is a blessing. Not everyone gets to do it. That being said, sometimes we just get off track and unknowingly start doing things that frumpify us, making us look older than what we are or just not as fresh. A frumpy look in general is one that's plain, dated, and boring with ill-fitting clothes in silhouettes that flat out don't flatter your physique. And men, you can be frumpy too, just saying, and it's not just the ladies. If it's been a hot minute since you've cleaned out your closet, it's probably time. So many of us keep clothes that are ill-fitting, don't look good on our shape, or don't represent who we are today. And yet, there they are. I'll bet you've even got clothes in your closet like I did that you regret buying in the first place, and they just sit there collecting dust. The first step in getting out of the frump zone is editing your closet. Here's how to do it. Number 1, carve out time. Set aside 2 hours to see how far you can get. You may need more time, you may need less time. Number 2, create a section for 3 piles. Keep, donate, or throw away. Now the hard part, unless you know at first glance that you're just gonna donate it or throw it away, you are going to try on each and every piece. And most importantly, you're going to be brutally honest with yourself. Is this flattering on me? Does it fit right? Does it reflect my personal style and how I want others to see me? Let me give you a personal example. At one time, I loved those sparkly, beautiful Hervé Leger dresses. So much so, I kept them into my closet for a very long time because I couldn't bear to get rid of them. Trying the dresses on and answering the same questions, yes, the style is technically flattering on me. Yes, it technically fits right. But, and here's the deal breaker, it no longer reflects my personal style nor the way I want to be perceived, which is now more of an understated glam versus sparkly and out there. End result, it's a donate. If you're unsure whether or not something looks good on you, I promise you already know. It's your visceral response. If you put something on and immediately think, ooh, that's cute, chances are it's a good silhouette and it flatters your body. If you squint your nose, adjust, readjust, tilt your head, think whether or not you should ask a friend, chances are it's not right for you. Number 2, wearing oversized pieces. Not cute, y'all. Whichever designer had the bright idea that wearing a tent with pretty flowers was super styling should have her design license revoked. Look, there's a difference between slouchy and relaxed and big, huge clothes that just don't fit you well. The quickest way to frump zone is oversized, baggy, sloppy clothing. Instead, if like me, you do love the idea of relaxed pieces, think relaxed, not huge. Relaxed loosely skims the body, while huge swallows up and overwhelms your body in reams of fabric, leaving no idea of your shape whatsoever. Second, look to balance a relaxed piece with items that are a bit more fitted to your physique. Or in the case of both a relaxed top and a relaxed pant, give the waist a little definition with a tuck or a belt. If you love an oversized boyfriend cardigan, like sometimes I do too, balance it with a more fitted top and bottom. The key is all about balance and defining your shape even if it's relaxed. Finally, get rid of pieces that flat out don't fit you or have lost their shape. If it's a high quality piece in a silhouette that does flatter your shape but it's a bit loose, consider getting it tailored. You may wear it then. Not flattering no matter what your age, wearing the wrong style for your body type. No matter how gorgeous and expensive the piece, if it's a style that doesn't flatter your body style, it's a waste of time, money, and hassle because it's flat out not going to look as good on you as other pieces. Instead, it's important to know which pieces look best on your body and just as important, which pieces do not so that you can avoid them. Knowing will save you reams of time, hassle, and annoyance because you can quickly bypass them, zeroing in on the pieces and the silhouettes that do look good on you. To do this, there are 3 easy steps. First, identify your primary body shape. Apple, pear, hourglass, rectangle. See my video below for your particular body shape, which identifies the best dress styles for your body type. Jot down those silhouettes, you're gonna need them to go shopping. Second, take your bust, hip, and waist measurements. Last but not least, the fun part, shop! Look for the styles that flatter your body shape and buy them in the right size. Brands always have a size guide near the product that you're considering buying, so simply compare your measurements to their size guide. That'll give you a better idea of what will most likely fit you the best. Number 4, believing that the choice is style or comfort. I call this the false dichotomy. Someone presents you with an either or question, leading you to believe that you only have 2 choices, the ones that they laid out for you. When in actuality, you can go ahead and create a third option. Do you want chocolate or vanilla? I want a swirl of both. Restaurant A or restaurant B? A for drinks, B for dinner. You get the idea. Just because someone says that you have to make a choice between 2 things that you want doesn't make it so. When it comes to style or comfort, you can absolutely have both. Is a huge muumuu comfortable? Sure. Is it flattering? No. But a maxi dress is both comfortable and flattering. A relaxed button-up with a relaxed trouser, comfortable and flattering. A 4-inch stiletto heel may be really stylish with your dress, but maybe not super comfortable. However, a chic kitten heel checks both of the boxes, style and comfort. Forgetting about hair and makeup. Ladies, it is the small details that make all the difference. You could have the coolest outfit ever, but if you haven't updated your hair and your makeup in like decades, it's probably time for a change. Instead, step back and look at the entire picture in the mirror. Not just the outfit, the whole picture. Your hair, your makeup, your shoes, your accessories. How does the whole ensemble look? I often decide how to wear my hair after I've gotten dressed. For example, today I had my hair down, but when I put my turtleneck on, it was too much and it overwhelmed my small frame. That means I pulled it back and it gave me a much longer, cleaner line. Same with the earrings. I had fringy ones on before this, but I felt it was too much, so I swapped them out for simple hoops. Also, if my outfit has a lot going on, I usually opt for a light or a nude lip. Otherwise, for me, I feel that when I put a dark lip on with a very fancy outfit, it's a little too overwhelming. And vice versa. If I'm wearing a very simple, streamlined look, I go with a bolder, darker lip and maybe a bold jewelry piece. A good colorist and hairstylist is worth her weight in gold, ladies. She should be able to advise you on what shade looks best on your skin tone and cut it to suit the shape of your face. Same with makeup. If you're wearing the same makeup that you did in your 20s, chances are it's probably no longer working and it's probably aging you needlessly. Look, black liner and frosted pink lip probably looked amazing in your 20s, not so much later on. You're gonna wanna go for neutral, more natural tones and shades and be sure to blend, blend, blend. In a nutshell, you should be able to look in the mirror and see your features pop, not your makeup. Granny panties with a VPL, a bra that's too big, too small, gapes, or doesn't give you enough support is just unattractive and it can be aging. Number 6, wearing the wrong undergarments. Undergarments are the foundation of the outfit. They can change how clothes lay on your body or even how things fit. That's why it's important to get it right. The vast majority of women are wearing the wrong bra size. If your bra gaps, rides up, or doesn't give you proper support, you're one of them. No worries, ladies. That is why they have bra experts. Look for a specialty store that caters to bra fittings. I personally like Nordstrom, that's where I go. While in your fitting, ask questions and be picky. If anything feels off or not comfortable, be sure to let her know so that she can hone in on the style and the fit that best suits you. Also, be sure to have her write down your measurements for you. That way you can have them on hand to try different brands according to the brand's size guides. Trust me, finding the proper bra size is a game changer. Last but never least, stressing over too many rules. Can I share something with you? If Oliver and I are going to a fancy event or we're going someplace where I really want to make a good impression, I still get very anxious over the whole ordeal. I find my heart fluttering as I flitter around my closet, grabbing every fancy thing I have, hoping that the right outfit's going to materialize. What shoes, what bag, what jewelry? Is this the right kind of dress for a winter event? Inevitably, I take a breath and I just remember every other woman going to the event is going through the same thing, wanting to choose the right outfit to wear to the thing. In other words, we are all people. In the end, the rules boil down for me to 4 simple points. Wear what's well made, fits you well, makes you feel confident, and aligns with who you are and the way you live your life. And if you want to check out versatile fall pieces, be sure to check out my next video. Take care, ladies, and I will see you Friday.